Have you been thinking about investing some money into real estate but don't know where to start? I'm sure you've all seen those fix and flip shows on HGTV. Maybe you also have a crazy uncle who owns a bunch of rental properties, but you're still not sure what the best strategy is for you. And that's totally fair. It's totally understandable. Hey, this is Arden Cinnadella with Spark Investment Group, and in this video, I'll share with you the one big question you must ask yourself before deciding how to invest your money in real estate. If you can just answer this one question, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy real estate investor. Knowing the answer to this single question will save you hours of headaches and investment decisions that don't just fit with your investing goals. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and dive in. As you may know, there are tons of ways to invest your money in real estate. You can buy a house and rent it out. You can Airbnb a condo on the beach. You can buy a piece of land on even Craigslist. There are a dozen of options for real estate investment. You can invest in storage facilities or office parks. You can even rent out rooms in your own house. However, that's exactly the problem that many people who are starting out investing in real estate with so many different choices, there's just too many options, it's hard to decide what's best for you. So how do you decide what's the right approach for you? Most people will start by turning to their friends who have seen success in real estate investing and copy what they do. So if your friends own rental properties, they'll invest in rental properties. If your friends have done land development, well, they'll consider that too. It's easy to get caught up in what other people are doing, but in order to make real estate investing work for you and help you reach your investing goals, you have to remember why you're investing in real estate in the first place and what you hope to gain from it. Besides the goal of just making money, why are you investing in real estate? Why not just stay with the investments or savings vehicles you already have? What's the purpose behind your real estate investments? What is it about real estate that attracts you? Are you hoping to create monthly cash flow to eventually replace your salary and quit your W-2 job? Are you looking to roll up your sleeves and get involved in renovations? Or are you looking for a long-term payout and capital growth? The first step when considering investing your money in real estate is to think about what you want out of it. Once you have a good idea of your investing goals, the big question to ask yourself is, how much involvement do you want to have? Do you want to be an active or passive real estate investor? Do you think that, like stocks, you'll put your money in and then not ever have to think about your investment? Or do you want to have more control and involvement on a week-to-week or month-to-month basis? If you're looking for a set it and forget it type investment, then you'll probably prefer being a passive real estate investor, and you should look for passive real estate investments, like real estate syndications. These group investments will let you put your money into real estate without having to do any of the work of managing or renovating the property. You simply get a monthly cash flow distribution and a split of the profits when the asset is sold. Requires very little day-to-day activity on your part. Now, most people have never heard of passive investing through real estate syndications. I've personally been investing in real estate for over 40 years, and I wish I had heard about them sooner. With passive investing, you get all the benefits of investing in real estate, including the tax benefits, without having to fix any toilets, deal with tenants, handle the day-to-day responsibilities. It's a big win. It provides lots of free time. If, on the other hand, you want more control of your investment and you want to play a bigger role, then perhaps you should consider being an active investor. There are many ways to invest your money actively in real estate, and this is the path that most people think of when they're investing, when they think of real estate investing. Active real estate investing includes everything from wholesaling to fix and flips to buying homes and so forth. So if you want to be highly involved and are looking for a shorter term investment, look into fix and flips. This may be one of the best ways to roll up your sleeves and really learn the business. If you're looking for monthly cash flow and you want to invest for the long term, maybe it's a buy and hold rental that would fit best. As the name suggests, this is when you buy a small rental property, rent it out, and hold it for a longer period of time. You can manage the property yourself or employ a property manager. After paying the mortgage and other expenses, you get to collect the monthly cash flow, kind of like Monopoly. If you're looking to do something bigger, you might consider looking into a joint venture, a partnership, or becoming a syndicator yourself. Remember earlier when I was talking about investing passively in real estate syndications or group investment? Well, most of the investors in a syndication are passive investors, but a small group is the active portion, the syndicators, sponsors, operators. They are the team who put the investment together. If you think you want to be highly involved in the acquisition, underwriting, asset management, and capital raising for a large commercial project, you might consider this route. All in all, the big question to ask yourself when you're thinking of investing money in real estate is, how involved do you want to be? Do you want to be an active investor or a passive investor? Think about what types of roles you may want to play and how involved you want to be and how much money you have to play with. If you're looking for a set it and forget it type of investment, look into investing passively in real estate syndications. After considering all this, what sounds like the right path to you? Comment below and let me know whether you'd like to be more active or passive in your investing. If you'd like a more comprehensive walkthrough of passive investing through real estate syndications, please join the Spark Investor Club. You'll find the link in the description below. By joining the Spark Investor Club, you'll learn more about real estate syndications and how they can help you achieve financial freedom. You'll be offered Spark investment opportunities in multifamily properties and growth markets. Thank you for watching, and last but not least, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and feel free to share it with a friend. I'm Arn Cinadello with Spark Investment Club. Thank you so much for watching.